Hello, in short video tutorials I'm gonna show you how to install and use automation and testing suite. First, run the ATS5 installer. On your screen there will be displayed a welcome window. Go to the next step by clicking Next. In here you need to specify a folder in which ATS5 will be installed. To select any other localization, click on Browse to browse all folders. I'm gonna leave it as default. By going Next, you have to select all components that you need. Click Select All if you want to choose everything that is available, or Deselect All. Default button will choose only ATS5 as a default choice. I will select all because I want to install ATS5 with a demo project. Next, you will have to accept the terms of use to go further. Read it carefully and go next. This one can stay as default. In here, specify a folder in which you want to install a demo project. Click on Browse and select a directory. Then go Next. And this is a short summary of the installation. After all that steps, you are ready to install ATS5. Just click on Install button. Now click Yes and wait for the process to finish. Now you can see that the license module has been installed successfully. So you can click on OK to confirm. Installation is finished. You can go next and run the application.